Catch and release, Judge. It's very simple. Sometimes you land a small fish, you unhook him very carefully, and you place him back in the water, you set him free so that somebody else can have the pleasure of catching him. All right. All right, here we go. Okay, call them off.
Jensen, clear the doors.
All right, go. Get out of there. All right, there's the door. All right. Here we go. Yeah, and now where is he?
Oh, there he is.
No, that's not him. That's not him.
Are you sure?
Yeah, there he is.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, Victor. Here we go.
Yep.
What's so complicated?
Keep
Exit,
on,
Victor.
man.
Come on. In a couple minutes, you're going to be somebody else's problem.
Let's make sure that nobody's watching.
No, I know. I told him nobody would be watching. He can... Come on. All right, here we go.
Okay, this is it.
Call the airport police.
Port authorities on his way.
Excuse me.
You got it. There we go. All right. It's got to get a running start, I guess. All right, come on, Victor. Just leave. Just leave. 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 What are you doing? What's he doing? Why is he kneeling? Is he praying?
No, he's tying his shoes.
Do they pray at noon? Isn't
no.
that? Come on, leave. Get the cameras. Where is he? Where is he?
Yeah, left, to the left.
No,
Here.
he was just at the door. I just...
Right, if we just go a little left.
All right.
I wait.
What are you looking at? What are you doing? Go back to work.
Thank you.